Is there a way to unblock someone on Snapchat?
Hello, Snapchat users. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that can sometimes cause a bit of confusion: unblocking someone on Snapchat. Maybe you've had a change of heart, or perhaps it was an accidental block. No worries. We've got your back. We'll walk you through the steps to make amends and reconnect with your Snapchat friends.
What does blocking do on Snapchat?
When you block someone on Snapchat, that user is no longer able to view your stories or snap you. They can't even find you in their contact list. It's like you've disappeared from their Snapchat universe. If you decide to unblock them, they'll be able to interact with you again on Snapchat. Just remember, they won't automatically reappear on your friends list. You'll have to add them back manually.
How do I unblock someone on Snapchat?
Let's get to the main point: unblocking someone on Snapchat. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Open Snapchat. Tap on the Snapchat app icon to open it. 2. Access your profile. Once you're in, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. 3. Open Settings. Look for the gear icon, usually found on the top right corner of the profile screen. Tap it to open your settings. 4. Scroll to Blocked. In your settings, scroll down until you find the Who Can section. Tap on Blocked. 5. Unblock the user. You will now see a list of blocked users. Find the user you wish to unblock and tap the X next to their name. 6. Confirm. Snapchat will ask you to confirm that you want to unblock the person. Tap Yes to complete the unblocking process.
What happens after I unblock someone on Snapchat?
Once you've unblocked the user, they won't be automatically added back to your friends list. If you want to resume direct snaps or viewing each other's stories, you'll need to add them back as a friend. Simply search for their username in the Add Friends section and send them a friend request. Once they accept, things will go back to how they were before the block. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. It's as simple as that. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember, Snapchat is all about having fun and staying connected, so make sure to use these features wisely. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!